జియో యూజర్లకు అదిరిపోయే గుడ్ న్యూస్ చెప్పారు ముఖేష్ అంబానీ. ఈ దీపావళి నుంచి జియో యూజర్స్ కు 100 GB వరకు ఫ్రీ క్లౌడ్ స్టోరేజ్ ను అందిస్తున్నట్లుగా ప్రకటించారు ఆయన. 47వ రిలయన్స్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ వార్షిక సమావేశంలో ఈ ప్రకటన చేశారు ముఖేష్ అంబానీ. అలాగే జియో ఫైబర్ రిమోట్ లో ఇకపై AI బటన్ తో కొత్త ఫీచర్ ను లాంచ్ చేయబోతుంది. ఇప్పటికే అన్ని రంగాల్లో AI దూసుకు వెళ్తూ ఉండటంతో జియోలో కూడా AI ను అనుసంధానం చేస్తోంది జియో సంస్థ. అలాగే ఈ సమావేశంలో దాదాపుగా 35 లక్షల మంది వాటాదారులను ఉద్దేశించి ప్రసంగించిన ముఖేష్ అంబానీ షేర్స్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా 1:1 నిష్పత్తితో బోనస్ గా షేర్స్ ఇవ్వబోతున్నట్లు తెలిపారు. రైట్గా ముఖేష్ అంబానీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు, లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
It has strengthened my conviction that Reliance's future is in safe hands and its legacy of superior value creation will continue to flourish. My dear shareholders, I mentioned at the beginning of my address that in a world of many uncertainties, the continued rise of New India is an absolute certainty. No force on earth can stop our beloved nation's march towards the goal of Viksit Bharat. I know that the people of India have great expectations from Reliance, and from this platform of the AGM, I assure my fellow countrymen that we are determined to exceed your expectations. I also know that India needs vastly more entrepreneurs, both big and small, so that we can fulfill people's rising aspirations for a better life. Indeed, India needs dozens of Reliance so that we can build an inclusively prosperous and fully modern developed nation by 2047. Now is the time for all businesses in India to work together as a grand coalition with the spirit of cooperation, collaboration, and mutual support. Today, I pray to God Almighty to continue to shower His blessings on Reliance so that we can continue to serve Mother India as a humble and devoted member of this patriotic coalition. Finally, on behalf of all our shareholders, I heartily thank our board of directors for their guidance and oversight. My appreciation to all our employees, our greatest asset. Your dedication and commitment have helped the company scale new heights. I would also like to thank our business partners for their consistent support in delivering quality solutions. And last but certainly not the least, I convey my deepest gratitude to India and all Indians for keeping faith in brand Reliance over the years. Thank you, and Jai Shri Krishna. Announce the Jio AI Cloud welcome offer. Today, I am announcing that Jio users will get up to 100 GB of free cloud storage to securely store and access all their photos, videos, documents, and all other digital content and data. And we will also have the most affordable prices in the market for those needing even higher storage. We plan to launch the Jio AI Cloud welcome offer starting Diwali of this year, bringing a powerful and affordable solution where cloud data storage and data-powered AI services are available